Hey man, come on out of there.
What are you doing with your phone?
I just had my phone.
Huh?
I just had my phone in my
You
hand.
taking pictures or something of her?
No.
I didn't do anything wrong, I just missed her.
On September 22nd, 2023 in Dalton, Georgia, two women heard strange noises outside their home. What they discovered was enough to send chills down anyone's spine. A man dressed in black, lying under the side of their house, peering through a drilled hole in the wall. Alarmed, they called 911, prompting the Whitfield County Sheriff's Department to respond and investigate.
No shit.
Hey, get out.
Hey man, come on out of there.
Okay. Huh? What are you doing? Huh? Sleeping? Sleeping? Mm-hmm. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Come over here. What you doing?
Sleeping.
You sleeping?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Sleeping.
What are you doing with your phone? What are you doing with your phone?
I just had my phone.
Huh?
I just had my phone in my
You
hand.
taking pictures or something of her?
No.
You care to show me? Hold on, hold on. Don't go nowhere.
I just fell asleep.
Huh?
I just fell asleep.
You know, I know you're just being detained right now, so I can figure out what's going on, okay?
Okay, yes sir.
All right.
See your phone.
Alright, let me see him, man. What are you doing?
I was sleeping.
You sleeping?
I fell asleep. I didn't mean to.
Oh, you just fell asleep right here? That's what you're sticking to?
Well, that's what I did.
Alright. So you're not taking pictures or nothing of her?
No, well,
You
how
can't
can
show
I?
us?
Look. Look.
Huh?
How can I? There's no holes in there. We were just spending the day
I didn't
together.
say nothing about no holes.
Well, I didn't say
What are you
anything.
talking about?
You have said, how can I take pictures of somebody? If there wasn't a hole in there, I can't see in there. I'm just laying there.
Oh, okay. Do you, so, you care if I... You said you was going to show me?
I can't.
Okay. What print is it?
Hmm?
What fingerprint is it?
It's not. It's a code. Oh, okay. Well, do you care to give us the code so we can... I can do it. Okay. I'm not going to run, man. I'm asleep.
But you're kind of squirrely and stuff, man. Just...
I'm not
Alright, so
squirrely.
what's your little code here?
Here you go.
Okay, hold on.
Here, I'll do it. I can't turn my wrist. Why can't I hold it? I ain't gonna run, bro. I'll sit down and you can chain my feet or whatever. I ain't trying to run.
What are you trying to do?
I was sleeping.
I know, but what are you trying to do to open your phone?
Use my fingers? Okay, sit it down on the ground right here. There you go. But yeah, I ain't taking no pictures, buddy. I dozed off and sitting there.
Oh, okay.
Nothing.
I'm going to go just to your pictures.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
While the suspect denies any wrongdoing, the officers decide to dig a little deeper, this time into his phone. They're looking for any evidence he might have been taking pictures or recording through the hole he drilled. But after scrolling through his device, they come up empty-handed. However, this isn't the end of the story. The woman who called 911 has her own video capturing the man in the act.
I ain't took no recent pictures, none.
Somewhere at the house.
Huh? At what house?
I'm just looking. That's all I'm looking for is in relation
Pictures
to
of her. I ain't got none.
You an ID on you?
No. I'm just homeless and I was out walking around and she's my ex-girlfriend. We used to live together. And I don't know where else to go and I'm safe here.
What's your name?
I feel safe. Paul Stewart.
Paul what?
Stewart.
When's your birthday? When's your birthday? Six, 7, 2, what's your name? Do it, babe.
Go ahead.
Paul Stewart. Date of birth. That male was detained.
Is that against the law?
10-4, standby.
I get long legs sometimes, and we were
672, you advise that male detained?
asleep.
That is correct.
I just fell asleep. I don't have nowhere else to
If you just go
go.
inside, I'll go there and
I
talk to
miss
in a
you.
minute.
Yes. Please.
Whitfield, 672.
Okay. This one, can you?
Call Edward Stewart out of Dalton, Georgia. Custody Charlie is valid. He is showing a protective order through the SO.
I don't hurt nobody. I just
Definitely
really like
a
it.
protected person. Oh yeah. Well, there's no doubt about that. So. Alright, let's go ahead.
There's several. There should be an
Phone.
Emma Lee Stewart, Jonathan Stewart.
I wouldn't even have heard it, but my daughter's here tonight.
As well as a Jonah Ray McCall.
Hey, what's your name, man? Shannon what?
Yeah, they got my name.
No. You. Huh? China? China what? Is any of those names?
No. That's
Come
too
on.
bad.
Hey, my car. Hey. I love you, you know what? I don't hurt you, I never hurt. Let me check the handcuffs up this. What hurt my, I got a back bone rib. Hold on.
Whitfield, 874.
Tell her my car, all my money, everything.
Oh, let me see your log.
Be advised, the caller was speaking with a AAA agent while on the phone with another dispatcher. AAA did advise that they would cover the expenses for parish, and they were given the number to contact.
Let me check your handcuffs real quick. Come here.
I didn't know I had no TPO on me.
10-4.
I can fit two fingers right here, okay? I'm gonna double
It's
lock
not
it.
that one, it's the other one.
Okay, well, hold on.
This
I'm
one's
double
fine.
locking the right one, so,
Yeah.
so don't bite down on your wrist there, okay?
Yes, sir. Can I give her my key? Can I give her my keys?
Hold on, quit moving. Please, quit moving.
I'm not moving.
He's just trying to lock us for you so they don't tighten up on you.
Okay.
If you move around, they tighten up before we can get them locked.
Can you turn your wrist? Hold on. Hold on.
It's got steel plate 8 screws in it when that metal's on there. It just hurts, that's it.
Can you move it? Can you fix it? Hold on.
And I have money in there and I don't want her.
Alright, let me see. Damn. Alright, two fingers right here, okay? You ain't got nothing on you, just gonna stick in the park behind me, right? Just, I'm gonna put you in the back of my car. No?
Sir? I didn't hear
You
you.
ain't got nothing on you? Just gonna stick in the back. Okay. Oh, well, hold on. Don't go reaching. Just let me do it.
Reaching.
I'm just gonna make sure you ain't got no weapons or nothing,
No, I
okay?
ain't got no weapons, dude.
Spread your feet for me.
Always been peace.
Spread your feet for me. Spread your feet for me a little bit, okay? Not to the point where you're gonna fall, okay? Just,
I won't. Trying to get.
just hang out right here. Hold on, I gotta investigate this. Thank you. What's going on?
Yes, sir. There's a hole in there.
There's?
Yeah. Right here in my hand. I wasn't gonna come in. I got here sitting.
There's no, I mean, there's a video from yesterday, but it's just like him, like, in a trailer somewhere.
Yeah.
I looked through his deleted files, but I mean, there's not really. There's a big old hole.
Yeah, you can see it. It's pretty cleanly shaped. See, what is it? There you go. Right there. So I'm curious if you're able to see it from the other side. Yeah, if you want to go inside, I'll shine the flashlight to it.
Hey, is there like a room right here or something?
It's the living room.
Is it? Can I?
Whitfield, 880.
You care if I come in?
Yeah, no, come on. I got video of him
10-4.
putting his camera into the hole and doing a lot of videos with me. I partner share with his phone. He's
getting evicted again. And
So was he living here?
no, he's never lived here.
Oh,
No, no, his room's right here, but you can't see it because it's covered with. I covered it with wood flooring. You see how that's not done all the way down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are just new. So this is where the hole was at right here. And I've got several, and my other maintenance man cleaned that up. But yeah, they're screwed in there.
I guess what I'm trying to get at is see if he could see.
Yeah, you can see. I got videos. We got videos of him sticking his camera in there.
Like as of who noticed you? Did you notice him up under the
I
house?
seen his two little midget feet crawling under that
You
house.
you visually saw him.
Yes, I did.
So just to reiterate, you're in here hanging out with your friend. You heard a noise. That's what prompted you to go outside and look. You peep your head. You see.
And I ran in here and told her.
You saw both of his feet under the house where we located him.
Okay. Thank you guys. I appreciate you. Thank you.
You have a good evening or good night, dude. What the? No, well.
I didn't do anything wrong, I just missed her. She was supposed to come back to my house. I didn't know I had a TPO on me. I ain't coming back. I didn't know she hated me this much.
The woman ended up bringing the phone containing the video evidence to the sheriff's office, offering crucial footage that solidified the investigation. The suspect was charged with loitering, prowling, and peeping Tom. He was booked into the Whitfield County Sheriff's Office Detention Center without incident. What would you have done if you discovered someone creeping around your house at 2 a.m.? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new story. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.